In the early days of the 19th century, a world still largely untouched by the modern conveniences of electricity and steam power, the stage was set for a revolutionary discovery. In the small town of Friedberg, Germany, a humble mining inspector named Friedrich Krümmel was on a routine inspection. Little did he know that his life's work would be forever changed. As he delved deeper into the mine, the air grew thick with the scent of coal dust. Krümmel, a seasoned miner, paid it no mind, his eyes focused on the veins of black gold that lined the mine walls. Suddenly, a strange, oily substance seeped from a fissure in the rock, black as coal but with a distinctly different texture. Intrigued, Krümmel collected a sample and sent it off for analysis. The report that came back left Krümmel stunned. The substance was not coal, but a previously unknown hydrocarbon, a liquid fuel that could potentially revolutionize the world. News of the discovery spread like wildfire, reaching the ears of a young chemist named Alexander von Humboldt. Humboldt, a man of immense intellect and ambition, saw the potential of this new fuel source and set out to explore its possibilities. Humboldt's experiments revealed that this new fuel, which he named petroleum, could be refined into a variety of useful products, from kerosene for lamps to lubricants for machinery. The world began to take notice of this remarkable discovery. In 1859, an American named Edwin Drake drilled the first successful oil well in the United States, marking the beginning of the modern oil industry. The discovery of petroleum had far-reaching consequences. It fueled the Industrial Revolution, powering the machines that transformed the world. It lit up homes and cities, banishing the darkness of the past. But with this newfound power came new challenges. The extraction and burning of fossil fuels led to environmental degradation, air pollution, and the looming specter of climate change. Today, we stand at a crossroads, grappling with the legacies of our fossil fuel past and looking towards a future powered by cleaner, renewable energy sources. The story of Friedrich Krümmel and the discovery of petroleum serves as a reminder of the profound impact that one discovery can have on the course of history. From the dark mines of Friedberg to the bright lights of modern cities, the story of fossil fuels is a tale of progress and peril, of innovation and environmental destruction, of light in the darkness and darkness in the light. It is a story that continues to unfold, a testament to the power of human curiosity and the enduring allure of the Earth's hidden treasures.